In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your ElevenLabs subscription in just 5 minutes. Upgrading your subscription can unlock additional features and provide a better overall experience. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you usually use. Once your browser is open, go ahead and type in the URL for ElevenLabs. If you've previously bookmarked the site, you can easily access it from your bookmarks bar. Once you're on the ElevenLabs website, the next step is to log in to your account. Look for the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password to sign in. If you happen to have forgotten your password, don't worry. Simply follow the reset password procedure, which is typically available near the login fields. With your login complete, direct your attention to the My Account section. You'll likely find this option in the bottom left corner of the website. Clicking on My Account will bring you to your account dashboard where all your account management options are housed. Now, what you'll want to do next is locate the Subscription section. This is typically highlighted, making it easy to find. Click on this section, and you'll be directed to a page that outlines your current subscription status and available options for upgrades. As you're viewing the subscription details, look for the Manage Subscription button. This could be positioned either at the top right or left of the page, so it might depend slightly on the size of the screen you're using. Once you've found it, click on the button and take a moment to review the different plans that are offered. When you found a plan that suits your needs, go ahead and click the Subscribe button located underneath your preferred plan. This will guide you through the process of setting up your new subscription. You'll then be prompted to choose between a yearly or a monthly billing option. Each option will show you the cost, so you can make an informed decision. After selecting your preferred billing cycle, you'll be directed to the payment page. On this page, it's time to add your payment details. This usually includes your credit or debit card information and sometimes additional billing details. Ensure that all the information is correct to avoid any hitches. Finally, once you've double-checked your details, simply click Subscribe. And just like that, you've successfully upgraded your ElevenLabs subscription. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Upgrading your subscription can provide significant benefits, so enjoy the enhanced features. Make sure to reach out to ElevenLabs support if you ever run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and happy upgrading.